Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm presenting a Hamilton 974 made in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, around 1920. This watch features 17 jewels and a beautiful gold-plated swing-out case. Stay until the end of the video to learn some interesting facts about Hamilton and the 974 caliber. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support the content. Enjoy! The Hamilton Watch Company was founded in 1892 in Pennsylvania and quickly became synonymous with precision. Its pocket watches gained fame on the American railroads, where punctuality was a matter of safety. Iconic models such as the Hamilton 992 and 950 cemented the brand's reputation as the watch of railroad accuracy. Throughout the first half of the 20th century, these timepieces accompanied workers, engineers, and even the military, establishing Hamilton as one of the great names in American watchmaking. Today, its vintage pocket watches remain highly valued, not only for their historical significance but also for the reliability that has stood the test of time. The Hamilton 974 caliber was introduced around 1897 and quickly became one of the brand's most popular pocket watch movements. A size 16 with usually 17 jewels, it offered solid accuracy and reliability at a more affordable price than the railroad-grade models, such as the famous 992. Designed for everyday use, the 974 won over students, workers, and men who wanted a robust watch without giving up Hamilton quality. Produced over several decades, it appeared in different versions and even in simpler finishes. Today, the Hamilton 974 is remembered as a caliber that democratized American watchmaking, combining durability, precision, and a vintage charm that continues to attract collectors.